Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are talking about the one of the topic that is city creation. In this, basically, we are talking about 22 blood groups, and in this, basically, we are talking about 20% of error. Basically, in this, basically, we are talking about 200 people's error, and Sunil R. Nair story, basically, and 11 parts. Basically, the Earth planet is divided. And cyber cell group given the punishments and blocks the resume, blocks the numbers, do the red sign, and Earth planet basically currently its sound is whatever basically sound that movement basically for that basically first world war done, second world war done, third world war done, like this lots of things basically are done. Just now basically I have taken one printout, that is this basically. This printout actually. One of the person told that basically what is this printout? Then this contains basically what are the things basically. Then he told that it contains this all basically. This Word document only basically. That is this. This basically. Dangerous group basically. Universe basically. That's why basically this was done basically. This everything basically might happen in one day basically. India's population basically is this. Ayodhya Ram Mandir, 7 days given. Earth planet, India land target 1 month basically, 90,000 plus, 90,000 year plus 1 month basically. So India target is 90,000 year basically was 1 month basically. So this was the basically target basically given by India one basically. Positive task and negative task, and in this basically we have discussed all death basically are connected with the set of words, and all basically one person asked basically why you have taken the printout basically. Then basically one of the person told that basically this printout basically was taken to show Mumbai city basically that in future basically if Mumbai city will go underwater, that will be this printout basically. This printout is going to basically in short basically not only Mumbai basically, the whole world basically when it will go underwater basically, this will be that printout basically. So one of the person told that basically this printout basically from where basically you are taken. Then he told that basically from one of the shop basically you are taken. So that shop person basically have that printout because this is basically very sensitive information. If any enemy country of the Mumbai basically will get this information, then he will finish the entire Mumbai within 1 second basically. Within 1 second, yes basically, because in this basically few information basically are there basically, which will finish entire Mumbai city just in 1 second basically. So one of the person told that basically what is that information? Then he told that basically, do you know basically one table box basically, this box basically, then he told that yes here basically. So all death in this planet basically, that is set of words combination. So one of the person told that basically that person basically the people basically who are staying in Mumbai, that is the 5 crore people. Yes basically that list basically we have. So set of words basically combination basically which will finish the entire Mumbai city basically. That is one thing. So due to that set of combination basically so one of the person asked the question basically, that is this set of words combination basically if we will dump inside the Mumbai city people basically body, then is this possible that entire sea water will attract to the Mumbai city? Entire sea water will attract to the Mumbai city. That is possible. This word basically, set of words basically. So one of the Maharashtrian people told that here basically, have you given this printout to anybody else basically who are basically the enemy of Mumbai? Then he told that no, basically I have not given basically, but I have taken one printout basically from that shop basically. If you can find out that shop basically, then you find out that shop basically, because that shop basically contains this printout basically. In this basically, this is the word. This line basically says this will end the entire Mumbai city. How basically that I will explain basically. This actually experiments basically, this type of experiment basically the Jesus group basically, that is not Jesus group basically, that is staying in Italy. They do the experiment basically, this type of thing. I have taken one video basically, in that basically I have told that basically in this world basically daily one city basically goes underwater and nothing basically happens to that particular people basically, and the entire water basically comes out from that city basically. Yes, basically. So that is the experiment basically. That means this word basically, if anybody will get this word basically, set of word basically who are staying in Mumbai basically, this will 100% basically finish the entire Mumbai city, and Mumbai city will 100% go under water basically. That means one of the person told that basically the Jesus group basically that is going, that group have the data basically. Then he told yes, basically Jesus groups have the data. So where is the Jesus family basically? One of the person asked the question basically. Then one of the person told that yeah, that mostly basically whenever the Christmas comes, he basically his entire family basically shifts from other countries to Asia basically. This type of basically words people says basically. Really basically that is correct basically, that need to check. Reason behind is that also I will tell you, just a minute. 11 parts basically. In this basically the Asia land basically gets divided. That means Jesus God basically, that is the Jesus family. That also Jesus family also know that basically the most powerful land basically is Asia basically. That means basically whenever the Jesus Christ family basically don't like USA, they don't like UK basically, they don't like Italy basically. Everybody every time basically when Christmas comes basically, he just shift to the Asia country basically, that is the powerful country basically. Then one of the person told that yeah, that need to investigate here basically the Jesus family is like that, or basically whenever basically the Christmas comes and whenever this basically is going to happen, that time basically the Jesus family basically shift to the Asia land. That need to check basically. That need to check basically. Let me check with basically whether this is really correct or not basically. Because if the land will get divided basically, then basically the Jesus family also know that basically the Asian country basically are up to that much powerful basically. That means Jesus family also knows. So he basically lots of people say that Jesus basically also exists basically. Jesus Christ also and his family basically exists basically. Lots of people say that is. I will just take just a minute. We are discussing here cyber world, and that's why basically I am telling. Just a minute. I will just talk. So one of the person told that Jesus God email ID तो नहीं है, Jesus God family structure. So see basically this is the Jesus family structure basically. So mostly this we will discuss in next video basically. Then also basically I will tell you the Jesus family structure basically. So in next video basically we are going to see this basically.